5 a.m. February 24th, 2024. It is time to go on a road trip. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to go on a little Florida road trip down to Sarasota and then over to Orlando. Come along for the ride. Let's get started. Bags are packed and are ready to go. If you want to see what I packed for this particular trip, I have a packing video that you can see right here in the right-hand corner. Here is today's travel clothes. We've got some long pants and a t-shirt. It is now time for me to go freshen up, have some breakfast, and then it'll be time to head out on our little Florida weekend. Hey guys! As we start our fantastic road trip across the fabulous state of Florida, I'd like to remind you, if you have not yet, and if you're new here, to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It certainly keeps me motivated to making these videos. And now, back to the road trip.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart.